What's going on, my stock market bulls and bears? I am your host, Terry Tillman. Welcome to my channel, Buy the Dip. That is right, guys. You are here on the most electrifying stock market channel that there is on YouTube. That's right. I am the mayor of Gnogville. If you smell now what the Gnog is cooking. Alright guys, and today we're going to go over the investor presentation that was done on Gnog on June 29th. So, yes, this is a little dated, but this is something we needed to go over. It has a lot of great information, guys, on the investor presentation. Gnog, leader for the future of online gaming. Guys, this is registered on the SEC.gov website. So this is what they put out for the SEC. It's very huge. They say they have a massive $20 billion online market opportunity. Golden Nugget also, the current stay-at-home climate has significantly accelerated the consumer adoption of online gaming. It is pandemic-resistant and scalable business model with a 30% profitability margin. Guys, Golden Nugget is also a household name throughout America with a national database that focuses on profitable gaming customers. Guys, I've been telling you all this for a while that I love Golden Nugget because of the branding. I cannot get into it enough. The branding of Gnog, Golden Nugget, is huge across the United States. Guys, they are a well-established leader in New Jersey with the largest online gaming market in the United States, and they have an award-winning management team with the history of successful execution. All right, guys, I want to get in here and talk about Golden Nugget as a whole with the land-based casino. So we want to talk about this real quick. Golden Nugget at a glance. They have approximately $4 billion in 2019 revenue. Golden Nugget and Landry's is a diversified restaurant, hospitality, entertainment, and gaming company. 600 outlets, 3 hotels, 4 aquariums, 2 amusement parks, 5 Golden Nugget casinos in Atlantic City, in Las Vegas, Laughlin, Lake Charles, and Biloxi. They're in 39 states, DC, Puerto Rico, and 42 international units. All right, guys, and wanted to show you this here also. Golden Nugget Landry's has a broad national network of locations. It's really key that we take a good look at this chart right here of the United States and showing you how much they are in the United States, because there is something we're going to get into with the recovery and Golden Nugget going forward that we do need to be aware of, and that's why I want to put this whole piece together about why it's important that the land-based and the Landry's, in a sense, is really good for the Golden Nugget online gaming as well, guys. So keep this all in mind when I circle back to later on in the presentation why this is important. All right, guys, I'm wanting to get in here that Golden Nugget and the Landry's, the database they have for their built-in base of customers. They have over 3 million Landry Select members, historically added 5,500 new members per week. 18% of restaurant sales are associated with the Landry Select Club transactions. 40% of members cross-brand. Guys, and if you go here to Golden Nugget 24K Select, over 2.5 million Golden Nugget 24K Selected members. Historically, 76 new 100 members per week. 80% rated play revenue is associated from 24,000 members. One card plays across all casino. All right, guys, and I thought this chart here is really good as well. Golden Nugget has a strong history of generating returns. Now, for their land-based, this is going to be before, basically, the pandemic, but they had around anywhere from 15% to 27% returns on their land-based. But if you look here to the Gnog, 288% returns on Golden Nugget online gaming on their investments. So that is really key. All right, guys, and this here is an overview of Golden Nugget online gaming, the leading U.S. online casino operator. It has launched iGaming operation in New Jersey in 2013, built leadership position through first-class execution. They've been profitable since 2016, delivered significant growth, 48% revenue growth through 16 and 19, 2016, 2019. Unique offer and expertise, first to market, proprietary live dealer offering, highly rated customer service support, superior data analysis capabilities. Actively expanding into other high-value markets starting with Pennsylvania and Michigan, led by successful entrepreneur, my mad brother, Tillman Fertitta, and seasoned online gaming executive Thomas Winter. Gnog has a team of 150 employees, which, sit there and think about it, guys. Golden Nugget Online Gaming does not have a lot of overhead cost to run this business. 150 employees right now. Now, as they get bigger, they may pick up some. But could you imagine if every state they go in, they only need 150 employees to run it? Woo! And that's considering they have live dealer studios and all. So this is some stuff to keep in mind. There's not a lot of overhead cost in here. So keep all this in mind. All right, guys, and look at this here. They have over 15 awards in the last 5 years. They have won Operator of the Year 2017, 18, 19. They have been Casino Operator of the Year 2017, 18, 19. Acquisition Strategy also got those for 2017, 18, 19. They won the Best New Game 2019. And here it is, Igaming North America Awards 2015, 16, 17, winner of Operator of the Year. All right, guys, and I definitely wanted to touch base on this. If we go between the iGaming player and the online sports player. So let's go through these three scenarios. Land-based casino player, average from 50 to 55 years old. It's basically 50-50, 51% female, 49% male. iGaming player is 40 to 45 years old on the average. 45% women, 55% male. Look at the online sports player pool. This has to be a tendency of 30 to 35 years old, with females only being 5%, guys, and males being 95%. So we want to get more targeted, which is where I'm liking the iGaming market to be, because we are almost 50-50 of men and women gambling online. That's why I'm not really, I know DraftKings is going to do good, guys, but it is more male-based. Sports betting is more male-based, in my opinion. There's not going to be as many females betting on sports games as they would be doing slot machines, table games. That's why I'm liking it, because Golden Nugget also has sports betting if you want to do that as well. But if you look at this here, we got a nice 50-50 split of either land-based and iGaming online, which is really key, guys, that we need to keep that in mind, that we're not just, and we're getting that middle-aged group people where people in life start to have money back now. A lot of younger people don't have money, a lot of expendable cash is laying around to go blow on gambling. But as you start to get to your 30s, 40s, 50s, you start to have more of that free cash flow to go spend on entertainment. All right, guys, and this here is saying iGaming player versus sports bettor in the player economics. And basically it's showing here iGaming per your slots is about $2.70 average bet. Your table games is $45 average bet. Land-based casinos, people spend about $1.80 per slot machine to $50 on a table. And online sports is roughly around $45 a bet on per sports game. The average iGaming player versus sports bettor. They play longer on iGaming. They reinvest their winnings quicker. It generates a higher hold for the operator and has higher disposable income. That's what I meant to say earlier. Yes, higher disposable income. Look down here. Total hold active month. 700 compared to 450 compared to 100, guys, of people spending money. Look at that iGaming, man. People can be home, luxury at home, don't even have to get dressed up and go anywhere. People's looking to spend money. They're going to do it on their electronic device. All right, guys, and I want to get here and talk about the investment highlights. That's right. Number one, iGaming focused U.S. casino brand in New Jersey. They're also on track to deliver $95 million of gross gaming revenue and $24 of adjusted EBITDA in 2020. $24 million of adjusted gross EBITDA is huge, guys. Well positioned to capture 10% share of the projected $22 billion U.S. iGaming market. They are pandemic accelerated e-commerce secular trend accelerates U.S. iGaming regulation. Industry leading monetization, 7.7K 5-year players lifetime value. North America Operator of the Year 2017, 18, 19. And down here in the cutting edge innovator is really key, because when you're investing in a company, you want to make sure they're cutting edge. That's right, that they are the first ones doing it. Look at this here. They are the first in the U.S. to launch in-house live dealer studio, guys. That's right, number one to do the in-house live dealer studio. So everyone else after Golden Nugget is just going to be doing what they're doing. But Golden Nugget has already been doing this for a couple years, so they already have it down, man. They had this down. They were also first to launch the branded slot, Golden Nugget video slot. They have a successful bet on new game categories, steppers, and megaways, which they are leading in, guys, on the cutting edge of new technology and innovation, which is really, really key, guys. That's going to be part one. This is part one. This is going to be a lot of information. I wanted to cut this video here on the investment highlights. I'll come back in tomorrow's video, and we'll continue from here on down to the rest of the information. I think I gave you a lot to think about, guys, on this SEC investor presentation. Hope you all enjoyed this valuable information. Now, I know the stock's getting beat down right now. Let's go take a quick look at it. Stock is beaten down right now, guys. And honestly, this is a buying opportunity. I bought this on Webull. I only got one share, but I bought it in that $100 portfolio because I know at $20 a share, it's going to make me $10, $20. It's going to double up. This thing's going to hit $30, $40 sometime here in 21. I don't mind putting my money in it now in that $100 portfolio series because I never would have thought I'd be able to get this down under around $20 again. So I consider this a win, and I'll be buying this up in Webull, guys. That way it's not affecting my average cost on Robinhood or my Fidelity account. I'll be buying it up in the Webull. If I get my $100 in there again, I'll be buying up a couple more shares. This will keep adding up, man. We're going to make profit on a $100 portfolio series. We're going to be making money. So, guys, I hope this video here, get your spirits up. Get your spirits up on Golden Nugget. There's a lot of great things coming. Like I said, the reason the whole stock market pretty much was tanking right now because of the tax law selling. You got big corporations and stuff selling off shares, and they're wanting to cut losses or take their gains into 21 and start fresh. So we're not sure how January is going to start out, but I'm going to tell you what, sometime within the first quarter of 21, this thing's going to be up to the moon. It's going to be heading there, guys. I'm telling you. We're going to get Michigan. Remember, Michigan is the vote. January the 12th, Michigan is the vote for that. So once that vote goes good and we get into Michigan, as you saw here in the investor presentation, Michigan is on the radar, and they're voting on it January 12th. So that will be the point where I think in the next 2 weeks, we're going to see this go up on that vote. As long as they can get the vote in, we'll be good to go. So, guys, like I said, hope this video got your spirits up. I, myself, have not lost anything because I know it's just the market selling off. It ain't like Golden Nugget did anything bad that where they lost the value of the shares. They're still doing great, man. Things are going good. I'm honestly, yes, we were up to $25, $27, and now we're down to $20. And yes, everyone's portfolio is getting hit right now. But honestly, I'm not even worried because I know this is such a great investment. It's going to pay off. We're just doing what it does, man. It goes up. People sell off, take profits. It comes down. But all great companies and great stocks, what do? They go back up. They're going to go back up. People that sold are seeing this price now, and they're going to buy back in. They're going to buy back in, and people's going to start to realize that the iGaming market is the future of gambling. That's right. It is the future of gambling, and we're in the beginning stages of it. So, guys, hope you all appreciated this analysis today of Golden Nugget. So, guys, I will catch you in the next one. Remember to buy the dip, baby.